Join me, let's prepare Chef Abby's special fried yam recipe. So these are some few things I've noticed about this fried yam. Forget about all the drama going on with the class, because you can't blame we the student, because one of the problem is the yam. We don't get the right yam because we are supposed to use puna, but at the end of the day we end up buying Bairia and puna. You get it? So one, when you use a different yam, it will end up melting. Secondly, two, some people are overcooking the yam. Yes, others are overcooking the yam. Some are not deep frying it. Others are doing shallow frying. All this will contribute to let me see, how do I put it? A fail mission. So what I've realized is, make sure the yam is puna. If you know you can't cook the yam, just boil water and pour it on it and you're good to go. Look at how my yam is so crunchy. But mind you, when I use the other yam, it melted in the oil. So my landlady gave me this yam and it was so nice. And make sure when you are frying too, don't overstir. Stirring it a better by reno, because it will melt before it become crunchy. You get me? So make sure say by reno, chia, when it's in the oil, you don't stir it. Leave it in the oil like that. And it's deep frying too. And so there's no way say a better pot anymore. So make sure say you don't overstir it, because when you overstir, it'll tete basa. Thank you and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. See you in my next video.